Hi everyone! So I had so much fun making this ornament yesterday that I wanted to make another one. So I was looking at my stash to see if I had another one of these little ornament balls, and I can't find one right offhand. I know I have one in a box that's kind of packed away already, so I don't want to have to go and pull that out. But what I did find right away was this little sleigh. So I'm thinking of doing like a little kind of shabby chic, how this one's like little shabby chic in this little sleigh, because I have so much of this extra lacy stuff that I had bought. So like I have all of this one, which is what I used right here. I have this leftover trim that I did use right here. And then these are some of the leaves that I cut off of this. And I have a couple more of these flowers that I can use. And I never even used this one, so maybe I'll go ahead and use this one. Oh, that's pretty. Maybe add that around here. I don't know, we'll see. So I never even used this one. So we have that to play with. And then I have these, but I don't think I'm going to use these. I did stick them on the inside right here, down in the inside of the ornament. I did use these, but I don't think I'm going to use these for this project. So my thought is to go ahead and do a little, you know, like lacy shabby chic. So I'm going to paint this, and I went through my stash and I found this pink and this white. So I'm going to use just the straight pink, I think, on top here, and maybe on this little dowel part. I don't know if I could take that out or if it's glued in. I'll have to, no, that's glued in. And then I'm going to add some white to the pink, so it's a lighter pink, and then do the light pink on the little side rails right here. And I'm going to paint this all, and then I will come back and show you guys what it looks like when it's all painted. For this video, what I did the whole entire thing on camera, and I did a lot of editing of where I sped up, kind of like, you know, just me gluing things and added music to it. Let me know if you guys like that style of video, or if you like this style of video where I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it off camera, and then I come back and show you, and then kind of do a process video like that. So down in the description, or down in the comments, I would love for you guys to tell me what style of video you guys prefer. Okay, so let me go ahead and cut this off. And I'm going to cut this off too, because I'd rather use a prettier ribbon. And then I'm going to paint everything. And then once it's all dry and we're ready for the next step, I'll come back and share with you guys. Okay, so I did pull out some more items. I pulled out these snowflakes. I have these flowers that I got on clearance. I have these snowflakes right here. And I got some of this little gold stuff. And then here's what my slate looks like after I painted it. Oh, I got glitter all over it now. So I used that dark pink that I showed you, and then I did lighten it with some white. So it's the exact same pink, but just added some white. So I painted the whole entire sleigh. So these two are in the original color. And since this is part of the base of the sleigh, I painted this inside, and then the rest is all in that baby pink. I did take off the little twine piece right here because I want to add a prettier ribbon. I'll probably use like this same ribbon right here for this one. And let's go ahead and put this together. So like I said, I pulled out some stuff. I'm not sure if I want to use this ornament. Let me cut this off. So I could use this one right there, or if I want to use one of these larger ones that I just got. Let's see. That one's really big. It takes up like almost the whole base. Okay, and then I have some of this gold stuff that I could put kind of hanging out, but I think I kind of like it with this larger one. So we might not use those. I do have these, but I don't think I'm going to use this either. I think the flowers I want to keep and put in the center. I have these flowers too. Let's start with putting some lacy bit down. I think I'm going to put this one, so it kind of matches like the one from yesterday. So I do have some of this. Let me see. So if I put this down right here, and if I put this on top of here, you lose all the beading and the flowers in the back. So I don't think I want to put this more. I'm going to lose all of that. So I'll save that for another project. If I put this one down, okay, I like this one better. So should I put it at the bottom or the top? Should I flip it this way? Actually, I think I like it better down over here. So we're gonna do that. And then I have a hole right here, so I'll try to cover that up. So let's see, if I put this here, can I just glue it so it comes down and around? I think I'm gonna cut these in two pieces. Where are my scissors? So we're gonna cut this one, and then we'll cut this one, and we'll lay both these pieces on there. So let me put a little bit of glue right there on the edge. And I'm gonna work this to go around the edge. I need some more glue over here. Okay, so that goes like that. And then if I lay this one on top, how far over is that gonna come? It's gonna come a lot. I might have to trim this one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna trim this one. So let's start about here and bring that around. That's gonna be pretty. Okay, so we're gonna work this around the edge right there. Then we're just gonna trim this little bit off right here. Okie dokie, and let's see, we're gonna put our snowflake. Oh, now you do lose all the little lace in the background. Let's see, so we'll put this here. Let's try some of these flowers and see what it looks like. Oh, look, I could put like one of these appliques here and I'll cover up the little hole where the string was. So if we do that there, maybe put another one here, and put that there, and put another one of these here. I think I'm digging that. I think we'll use those instead of this one. Let me cut one and see what this looks like. We swap this out. No, I definitely like the roses better. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do here. So we're gonna glue these down. Oh, I didn't even glue down the snowflake. I forgot about that. Let's glue down our snowflake. Whoopsie. Okay, so this does hang off the edge. So I want to just make sure I get it right in the middle part. Okay. So let's put that about there. Now, how do I want these arranged? Okay, I like that way better. So we'll do that. So let's put this one down. Let's put this over here. I'll put this one tucked in there. Look at this little stringy here. Look, my little pearl came off over here, so I'm going to put a dot of glue and put that back there. And then where does this go? About, yeah, about there. So let's put some glue here. Put this off to the edge over here. I don't know, kind of just really covering up all that snowflake. I don't even know if you're going to be able to tell by the time I'm done that there's a snowflake back there. So we got that going on there. And I do have my pretty pearls from yesterday that maybe I'll put in here. Let's see, do I want to do one of these? I kind of like this, that it goes like with the shape right there, but then do I want to tuck it over here maybe? Put one there. Put another one down over there. Think I might do that. I kind of like those little pink pieces. Let's see if I scoot you guys in a little bit, if you can kind of see what I see. So I think we're gonna go with it. So I'm gonna put this down like about there. I'm gonna close this because I am a klutz and I will knock it all over. Then let's put this one down over in here. Oh, I think I took that one in too far. Then we'll put this one. So I bought these little jemmies from Michael's on clearance, and I'm so sad I did not get another pack. I really, really like these little jemmies. They were from Bead Landing from Michael's, and they're just so pretty. I love this whole set. Definitely should have bought 2 of those because I actually used that one the most out of all of them that I got that time. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. I think I'm going to add snow because I do have the snow over right here that I put inside of this one. I put the little snow inside of there. You can't really see it. Oh, you can kind of see it right there. So I think I'm going to put snow over here. So I think I'll put it, I want to smush it down here at the bottom so it looks like snow here, then maybe like a little bit of snow in there. Should have bought like a plate with me so that way I can kind of contain it all in one space. Oh, I know what I'll do. Duh. Look, I just got this bucket from Dollar Tree, so I'm going to use this to catch all that snow that we drop off. That'll work perfect. Okay. So I think I'm going to put hot glue down here to add the snow to it. Let me open this all the way. Okay, definitely need to transfer that stuff to a Ziploc baggie. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue here. Oh man, I got some on the bottom. And can I just dip this in here? Will that work? Oh, it worked. Oh, you guys couldn't see. Sorry. Okay, so I just dipped it in there. So I think that's what I'm going to do is just go ahead and smush some glue down here. And then I just bring it over here into the bag and just smush that into the bag right there. And that way we get like that little snowy look. So it looks like there's snow on the bottom of the sleigh. So I'm going to go ahead and do that to all of this, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I have my little sleigh full of snow down here. And then snow over here. And I think I'm going to add a little bit of snow like right in here. I'm just going to do like a little bit. Just kind of, hopefully I didn't ruin it. Oh yeah, I think that's not too bad. I think this came out really, really cute. I love when an idea comes together and then it's even like better than I thought it would be. So there is my little sleigh with my little snow up here. Then all my snow down at the edge right here. And then there is the back of my sleigh. I think that came out really, really cute. That came out super cute. So I need to figure out what string I'm going to put through here. I know I said I was going to do the braided one, but I think it might be too thin to fit through there. And I definitely want to be able to hang this up, or have the person that I send this to be able to hang this up. So I'm going to have to look and see what I have available. But yeah, that's it, you guys. That is my quick little another Shabby Chic ornament for you guys using the Dollar Tree Sled. And I don't know, I kind of feel like I need something down over here, but I just want to stop because I'm afraid of doing too much. Like, I already want to add more snow up in here. Like, I feel like it needs a little bit more. I think I'm gonna do it. I think this side needs a little bit more. So that way it's just kind of like even on both sides. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. Okay, you guys, I'm going to stop because I do get carried away sometimes and just keep doing more and more and more. And then I'm like, okay, that was enough. So, so that's it, you guys. Here is my little sleigh. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.